Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week I'm going to look at an application that utilises the extensions functionality within Apple Mail. Now, whilst extensions for Safari have been extremely popular since they were introduced, Apple Mail extensions are a lot rarer, so when a good one comes along, it's worth checking out, and ReplyCube is exactly that. So let's take a look. Now, ReplyCube is available from the Mac App Store. It's free to download, and you get a 7-day trial to see if you like it, and then there is a paid element to it. Now, I forget the price now, but I know that when we look at the app, we can see it easily there. Now, what does ReplyCube do? Well, it allows you to write emails faster by using canned messages. So that is full templates of emails that you send on a regular basis. Extremely useful if you work in a customer support environment, for example. And as said, it's available as an extension in Apple Mail, although there is a standalone application that you will use to create the templates. Okay, let's quit the App Store here, open my launcher, and get to ReplyCube. Here it is. I'll just move it to the top here. So this is the application element of ReplyCube. Now, it's split into 3 sections. On the left, we have the sidebar where we list our different projects. At the top, we have a container named All, and this simply lists all of the email templates contained in the projects below. Then we have some separate projects here called Tutorial, Common, and FAQ, which of course are here to help you get started. Then you can click here to create a new project, and we're going to do that shortly. But right at the bottom, we can see we're in our free trial, and if I click here, we can see the pricing. So it's £9.49 currently for a year, which works out at 79 pence per month, or you can just use a monthly subscription of £1.49. Okay, I'm going to close this, and I'll select All here, then come across to the middle pane, and this lists the different templates that we have. So you can click on the magnifying glass to search for one, simply type in some text, and it filters in line to match your criteria. I'll just type another one here, so project. And this is great when you build a large library of templates. It's easy to get to the one that you need. You can also sort them here, the most recent, the most copied. You can sort alphabetically through the template titles, or you can follow the project list in the sidebar on the left. And then to add a new template, we click on plus. And finally, on the right-hand side, we have the contents of the template. So you can see we have images and text in here, and you can format them to your liking with these formatting options at the bottom. Okay, let's start creating some templates then. I'm going to come over here and click on New Project first of all. I'm going to give it a name. So for this example, I'm on a recruitment drive at the moment, and I need a new business analyst. I can enter a description here if I wish. And if I want to change the icon, I can click here. We have a large number of icons presented, and as I scroll, you can see there's an awful lot there. But I want to recruit a person, and there is a search field here, so I'm going to key in some text. And this character icon here with a question mark, I think that looks good because I don't know who I'm hiring. And there, I'm happy with that. I'm going to click Save, and our project is in. Now let's create our first template in there.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.